Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. In this lesson, we will be discussing parthenogenesis. So let's start parthenogenesis. The term parthenogenesis is derived from two Greek words, parthenos meaning virgin and genesis meaning birth or creation. So put together, parthenogenesis means virgin birth. Can you believe that some animals can bear young ones without mating? Yes, this is true. Parthenogenesis is a type of asexual reproduction in which an egg develops into an adult without being fertilized by a sperm cell. This is different from sexual reproduction in which a sperm cell from the male parent and an egg cell from the female parent unite to form a zygote, which then develops into an adult. Let us understand how parthenogenesis occurs in honeybees. Honeybees live in colonies that consist of one queen, several thousand male drones, and female workers. The queen bee is the only female in the colony that mates with male drones from other colonies during her nuptial flight. After the nuptial flight, the queen stores the sperm in a special sac called the spermatheca. Later, when she starts laying eggs, she uses the stored sperm to fertilize the eggs. Most of the eggs laid by the queen are fertilized, and these fertilized eggs develop into female worker bees and future queens. But sometimes the queen bee lays an egg without fertilizing it with the help of stored sperm. Such unfertilized eggs develop into male drones. How do they develop into males? You must be thinking if they don't get fertilized. Well, that's the amazing thing. They develop into males without getting fertilized. This process of development is called parthenogenesis. Since the unfertilized eggs contain two sets of chromosomes, they are not haploid. In honeybees, both male and female offspring are diploid. So although the sperm does not take part in the fertilization of the egg, the sperm's contribution of a complete set of chromosomes is still required to make a diploid drone. Now let's look at some examples of animals that reproduce through parthenogenesis. As we have already learned, honeybees exhibit parthenogenesis, but they are not the only ones. Some other insects like the common clothes moth and some aphids also reproduce through parthenogenesis. Certain reptiles, like some lizards, also exhibit this mode of reproduction. In some species of whiptail lizards, parthenogenesis has resulted in all-female populations. This means that these lizards can reproduce without males. The ability to reproduce through parthenogenesis may be an adaptation that allows animals to survive in certain conditions. For example, in honeybee colonies, parthenogenesis ensures that there are always enough males available for mating, even if the queen hasn't recently mated. In other species, it may allow for the rapid production of offspring without needing to find a mate. So let's summarize what we have learned in this lesson. Parthenogenesis is a type of asexual reproduction in which an unfertilized egg develops into an adult organism. It is different from sexual reproduction, which requires the fertilization of an egg by a sperm cell. In honeybees, parthenogenesis is used to produce male drones, which are important for the colony's survival. Some other animals, like insects and lizards, also reproduce through parthenogenesis, allowing them to produce offspring without finding a mate. Now let's check what you have learned after studying this lesson. Answer the following questions. 1. What is parthenogenesis? Answer: parthenogenesis is a type of reproduction where some animals produce offspring without fertilization. 2. In honeybees, what type of bees are produced through parthenogenesis? Answer: in honeybees, parthenogenesis produces male bees called drones. 3. How does parthenogenesis differ from sexual reproduction in honeybees? Answer: parthenogenesis involves unfertilized eggs developing into drones, while sexual reproduction involves fertilized eggs developing into female worker bees. We hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment down below. And if you liked this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos.